Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic natin for today is, what is nominal Christian? Syempre, patuloy pa rin tayo sa ating Bible Character Edition. So, ang concept natin for today is the confrontation that revealed a traitor. Syempre, ito si Judas Iscariot. So, during the final week of Jesus' life, he openly confronted the Pharisees and the religious leader for their hypocrisy, pride, and false righteousness. He exposed how they look holy on outside but were corrupt on the inside. While Jesus was rebuking false religious publicly, betrayal was already growing privately in the heart of Judas. Went to the chief priests and agreed to betray Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. The confrontation with the Pharisees and betrayal of Judas are connected. Both reveal hearts that were close to religious but far from God. The Pharisees rejected Jesus openly, while Judas followed him outwardly but rejected him inwardly. Both shows that divided heart and the hypocritical faith can lead a person away from Christ. At makikita natin ito sa Matthew chapter 26 verse 3 to 4. So when the chief priest and the elders of the people gathered in the place of high priest, whom name of Sipasa, and plotted together in order to arrest Jesus by seated and kill him. Sa Tagalog, ang mga punong pari at ang mga pinuno ng bayan ay nagtipon-tipon noon sa palasyo na pinakukulang pari na si Saipa. Binalak nilang patakipin si Jesus ng lihim at ipapatay. At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic natin for today. So, ang teaching natin for today, first teaching, Judah is an example of Christ in name only. So, si Judah, isa siyang example na kung saan siya ay Kristiyano but in name only at hindi niya ito ginagawa. So, sa ating second teaching naman, Judah love money was greater than his love for Jesus. So, ang pagmamahal ni Judah sa pera ay walang hihigit sa pagmamahal ng ating Panginoon. Siyempre, sobrang pagmamahal niya sa pera. Hindi niya man lang naisip na kailangan niyang mas mahalin yung ating Panginoon. So, sa ating third teaching naman, Judah is a warning to nominal Christian. So, si Judah, nagkaroon na rin siya ng warning na kung saan hindi siya na dapat tularan. So, dadako tayo sa ating application. First application, guard your heart against pretending to follow God. So, i-guard natin palagi yung puso natin na nagpapanggap na lang tayo na para sumamba sa ating Panginoon. So, hindi yun yung dapat. Sa ating second application naman, grow in your love for God and this is your love for wealth. So, mas palaguin mo yung pagmamahal mo sa Panginoon, hindi yung pagmamahal mo sa pera. Hayaan mo na yung pagmamahal mo sa pera. Mas importante na mahal mo yung ating Panginoon. Sa ating third application naman, give your heart and your undivided heart to God. So, ibigay mo ng buong puso yung pagmamahal mo sa ating Panginoon at wala itong kahati. So, dapat nagsistay yung pagmamahal mo palagi sa ating Panginoon. So, dadako tayo sa ating discussion. Why is it possible for someone to follow Jesus outwardly like Judah, yet he betrayed him in the heart? So, para sa akin kasi may mga tao na nasisilaw sa pera, hindi na sinabi na ang isang tao kapag may pera, nagbabago yung ugali. So, si Judah yung perfect example ng bagay na yun. So, ayun lang for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.